Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, talking about that generation right here from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to see where your fuse boxes are located. You want to see how to access them. You have two main fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain about those, and we'll have video about each fuse, each relay. So we're here guys to save you time and money. Let's start on it now. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our two supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So let us show you guys where the fuse boxes are located and the fuse box diagram, okay, right here if you need to. So if you guys open, okay, first open the hood on your Ford F-150, you will notice right above the radiator fan guys, you have a fuse box right here, okay, that's the lid. And once you open guys that cover, okay, you're going to see a fuse box like that. Now right here guys, if you want to see specifically what each of the fuses are for, we have a special playlist with for that Ford F-150 2009 to year 2014. We have 108 videos of all the fuses and relays that would teach you what each one of those is, what it's for. So let's say you're down the road and you need guys to have access to fuel pump fuse. You can just search on our channel and you'll be able to find it in seconds. The other fuse box is inside the vehicle, okay, and right here in the passenger compartment, in the footwell guys, by that kick panel, when you remove the cover there, you're going to see the second fuse box, which is known as body control module fuse box, and it looks just like that. So if you need help with those fuses, check out the playlist guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.